Speak blessings upon your life. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and spoke life into yourself? Every day, we speak defeat without even knowing it. I'm tired. I'm not good enough. Nothing ever changes. But what if I told you, you're cursing your future with your own tongue? Today, I challenge you. Speak blessings over your life, over your dreams, over your healing, over your future. Say this: I am worthy of love. I attract peace. I am walking into favor. Doors are opening for me. I am rising. I am chosen. I am enough. Your words are seeds. What you speak today is what you will harvest tomorrow. Speak light. Speak growth. Speak greatness into your soul. Your voice has power. Use it to bless your path. If this spoke to your spirit, subscribe for more. And drop a comment. I choose to speak life. Let's grow together.